let's identify whether the following is a random or a systematic error. Now, weighing an apple in a balance gives you readings 12.02 grams, 12.00 grams, 12.01 grams. The true value is 12.01 grams. Now, this one is a random error because again, that's the true value. Then sometimes our measurement is above and then sometimes it's below the actual value. So this is a random error. Again, random errors are inconsistent and it may be on and it's on random directions, sometimes above then sometimes below the actual value. Now it's present in all measurements. For example, here, again, the measurements are 12.01, 12.00, then 12.02. Now, this difference might be caused by environmental factors. For example, maybe there are some pressure from the air, maybe there are some dust over here, maybe there are vibrations on the table, maybe there are some overheating on the machine. So again, it's present in all measurements. And this can cause random errors, so sometimes above yung measurement, sometimes below the actual value. Now, it's hard to eliminate or it cannot be eliminated, or of course we can eliminate it on some costs, uh, but it will be very expensive. For example, we can improve our balance by improving to this one. So this one is an analytical balance. On this case, meron siyang draft shield, so it's now covered in glass yung inside. This is to provide protection from external environmental factors, for example, airflows and dust, which might affect the precision. So again, this would cost a lot, so it's actually more than 10K yung price ng analytical balance. So it's hard or expensive to eliminate these random errors. Now again, it's caused by uncontrollable factors that affect the experimental results. Now we can reduce these random errors by repeating the measurement, then averaging them. So again, here we have these three measurements. If we take the average for all of this, we have 12.01. And again, that's now close to the actual value. So that's how we can reduce the random errors. Again, you need to repeat the measurement, then you get the average. How about this one? Weighing an apple in a balance that reads 0.05 grams while the balance is empty gives you measurements that are always 0.05 grams above the actual value. Now this one is a systematic error because again it's always 0.05 grams above the true value. Now this one is instrumental or methodological mistake. So again, it's important to set your device properly, or you know how to use the device you are using. Now, once its cause is identified, systematic errors may be reduced to extent. So in this case, since you know that your measurement is always 0.05 grams, just subtract 0.05 grams from all the measurements.